everyone. Today's topic is budget deficit. Budget deficit क्या होता है? When estimated receipts of the government fall short of proposed expenditure, the budget is said to be in deficit. Estimated receipts मतलब it is approximate receipts and proposed expenditure is the would be expenditure. It's not the actual receipt and actual expenditure. So now what are the measures of government deficit? There are three measures. First one is revenue deficit, second fiscal deficit and third primary deficit. अब आज हम डिटेल में करेंगे कि व्हाट इज रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट एंड व्हाट आर द इम्प्लीकेशंस ऑफ रेवेन्यू डेफिसिट. Revenue deficit, it is the difference between the revenue receipts and revenue expenditure. Revenue deficit in the form of a formula will be revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. Revenue expenditure क्या क्या होते हैं? Like salaries, wages, rent, repairs, raw materials, those expenditure which are the expenditure of the current accounting period. And revenue receipts are like interest received, rent received, dividend received. Now, what are the implications of revenue deficit? It shows the inability of the government to meet its regular and recurring expenditure in the proposed budget. So, for the coming year, whatever are the requirements or of expenditure of the government are too high and the government is not able to meet those expenditure. Then secondly, it implies that government is dissaving. उसका मतलब है कि गवर्नमेंट is using the savings of other sectors of the economy to meet its consumption expenditure. तो इससे कुछ भी डेवलपमेंट हो नहीं रहा है और rather to meet the expenditure government is borrowing from other sectors. It also implies government has to make up this deficit from capital receipts, that is either borrowings or disinvestment. तो रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर तो हमेशा रेवेन्यू रिसीट से ही मीट करना चाहिए, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट को अगर ऐसी हालत हो गई है गवर्नमेंट की दैट इट हैज़ टू डिपेंड अपॉन कैपिटल रिसीट्स, दैट इज़ नॉट अ वेरी गुड साइन. सो दैट इज़ अ साइन ऑफ revenue deficit. Then use of capital receipts for meeting consumption expenditure leads to inflationary situation in the economy. मतलब हर चीज़ का दाम बढ़ जाएगा, the prices, the general price level rises, so it leads to a inflationary situation. Inflationary situation का मतलब है general price level, मतलब ज़्यादातर चीज़ों के दाम बढ़ जाएंगे. Then lastly, it gives a warning signal to government to either curtail its expenditure और increase its revenue. अब किस तरह से इसका एक और क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, what are the measures to reduce revenue deficit? तो पहला है reduce expenditure. Government should take steps to reduce its expenditure and avoid unproductive और unnecessary expenditure. So अपने जितने भी जहाँ तक खर्च को कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है government should try to reduce that. Then increase revenue. Government should try to increase its receipts from various sources of tax and non-tax revenue. Tax revenue तो पता है that these are the revenue sources from tax and non-tax may be from fines, penalties, etc. Thank you.